So as you can see, we got a busted Polaris wheel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I address that. And before we get started, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to the channel, it helps out a lot. With that said, let's go ahead and start the video. Alright, so as you can see, I've already disconnected it from the supply hose and pulled it up on deck. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove the bag. Now you can see on this wheel that the screw and the countersunk nut that sits in the plastic has ripped out. So I will be able to attach this. However, I'm only going to be able to attach it with one screw. It's probably going to be an issue, like every so often the wheel is probably going to continue to fall off, and eventually I will have to replace the entire thing. But for now, this will be fine as far as attaching it back on and it working. Next thing I do is I use my screwdriver and I unscrew the screw on the top that holds the top housing. Now some of them are connected through the bottom. There's screws on the bottom. This one happens to be just one screw on the top. So I undo that and I slide the housing up. And the reason I do this is so that I can get enough room to be able to get a screwdriver in to attach the wheel. So I have to get this up and over the opening and give myself enough room. Now you'll notice that there is a metal gear that comes out that rides in this track that you see on the wheel. That has to be lined up, otherwise it won't work. Once I have that all lined up, I hold it into place and then I screw in my screw and I tighten everything down. Again, this is only going to be held in by one screw. The other screw, I'm just going to kind of spin it a little bit into where I can try to get it as snug as possible, just to give me a little extra, force, tighten it up a little bit. Once I have that tightened down, I can then wiggle the housing and bring it back down and tighten it back up. Also, guys, if you get anything from this video or any of my other videos, please give the video a like. Also, subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And then put the bag back on. And I reconnect it back to the hose. So I put the nut on. I push the hose down as far as I can, and then I tighten it back up. Once I have everything tightened back up, I have the bag on. I can then put it back in the pool and turn on my booster pump and give it a try and make sure that it's working properly. That's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, give it a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.